living like Pablo. I feel like a Chago. TR red seats, black and red like.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. It's been a long time, and a lot has changed within my life and everything I'm doing. I just think it's crazy to say that I'm back now. I got a lot more content in store. I'm revamping the whole channel up. So that's why I don't know if you're an OG subscriber, but all my videos have been now removed, privated. I'm doing this to just have a clean slate, a fresh start. If you're someone that liked one of my old videos and want it back up, then just comment down below which video you liked and I can bring it back up. I'm down for that. I just didn't think any of them were garnering any type of views. Why have them up after a year and a half of not recording? Some things that have changed about me is I got my own house. I got this house at the age of 22. Lots of hard work, putting in lots of overtime at work. I also got a new car. The last time you guys see me, I was driving the Green Goblin, the money making machine. I still do. Still taking me places. I just added a new one, you know? I want to make more POV, on the move type content, whether it be driving, car parts, working around the house, going out. It's much more connected to y'all because I got lots I'm gonna be doing, lots to show y'all. See this shirt? This is my clothing brand. Y'all like this shirt, like the design. I'm gonna have more pieces coming out. It's called Stab. You can go down in the link below. I have a link to my Insta where I will be posting more, making more cool ass posts, making more designs. Right now I just have one post on there with just this shirt, the main logo right here. Well, I hope y'all think it's pretty sick because I think it's pretty tight. Theme is usually like black, grays, whites. I'm down to dabble into more colors. I know right now y'all are seeing just the backyard right now. Y'all are just seeing the back, the window. This is 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. It has like a nice patio here in the backyard, so I'm like covered, shaded with lights in it. 3-car garage. How I was able to acquire this at such a young age, I feel like some people would think 22 is young, and being able to get it on your own is a lot. I would just say that I just put in the time at work, save, didn't go out, party too much. I still had my pleasures I'd still attend to. If you really just put your mind to it, you can get it for 9 to 5, you know. You don't have to be a 6-figure income, make $100,000 a year to be able to do it. I love my home, you know. I've lived here for a year and a half already since the last time I uploaded a YouTube video. That's a month after my last YouTube video I posted was when I got this place, and it's been a year and I'm still doing good, still doing things I wanted, you know, working on the house, renovating things. If y'all were to see the backyard right now, it's like, it's big, but it's like covered in like weeds, and I was thinking about making a video on that, on the backyard weed removal, because I've been trying to get rid of these weeds for a long time, but I don't give up. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep getting at it so I can make it look how I want it to look. I did buy it brand new. I got this house built, but you know, there's always gonna be things that you can keep on working on, so that's really what I'm in it for. I'm down for that. It's fun. It makes it my own, all that. And then my car, I'm not gonna tell you guys what car I have yet. That will be the next video y'all see. POV drives, changing parts, car meets, anything about a car really, like that you can think of, I'm gonna make a video of, and I will be in the near future. I'm gonna try to be uploading on a more consistent basis, but take that with a grain of salt because you know me, I make videos, and then stop for a long period of time. I don't know why I do that, but that's just me. I guess my personal life just gets in the way and I have to deal with things. Can't really pull out the camera during it, and I'm sorry about that. So I'm sorry it's been so long to all of you who have been wondering and waiting. But here is like an update, letting you know what's going on in my life. New house, new car, you know, clothing brand coming. Been putting in hours at work, and I got way more in store, like way more. This is just the tip of an iceberg. I'm still with my girlfriend. She's actually here living with me. She's inside right now, getting ready. We're about to go out, go get my hair done, go get some new clothing, because tomorrow we actually have a photo shoot for her. So I kind of want to be all ready for that. I'll probably record some content for the next video for the actual unveiling of the car, but we'll see how that goes. But just know that is for sure the next video. I hope y'all stick with me through this journey and hop on along. I know this video ain't gonna get like a lot of views because no one really likes a welcome back video, The title of the video is probably gonna be kind of clickbait, just so I can, you know, so you guys can hop on and try to get a vibe of how I'm like, what I'm gonna be doing. And then I'm gonna try to upload that next video like right after it, and that's the one I'll be promoting. But I really hope you guys check out this video at least, just to see what I'm gonna be doing. Welcome to my channel, you know, as this is gonna be the first video. Right now y'all are getting, like I said, just the wall, window, and my backyard couch that I got. Y'all will be getting more around the house. Just want to move in slowly with it, you know, for y'all. Not trying to splurge at all. But once you guys see it, y'all will love it as much as I love it. Y'all love the whip as much as I love it. And I hope y'all love the content, you know. Please drop like a like. I want to get like 5 to 10 likes on this video if possible. Let's hit 5 to 10 likes. But right now, I gotta go get ready. I mean, I already look ready, but I gotta go get a little more fixed up because I'm about to go get my haircut done. And then I'll see y'all later on another video. Peace.